감사합니다. Thank you. 예쁘다. Tour guide.
Okay, guys. Actually, beef. Like make it.
And so on your right side, you can see, right?
Different style fish and meat.
안녕하세요. 남천원 돈까스 하나 주세요. 네. 네, 감사합니다. Like in this little cafeteria at Wangsimni station, and we just ordered some food. It's like different Korean like food stores, and then you can just order at one point, and then yeah, they call out your number. It's a really cool system. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Air pollution.
Oh, like that.
My throat is so dry. I'm struggling. This morning I woke up like yeah. 감사합니다. Will, what are you having?
It was. I mean, it just looks like a mix of mango and
Is that dump?
noodles.
It looks like a fried
Yeah.
dumpling or something.
yeah.
What are you having, Michelle?
Gogi bibimbap.
Gogi bibimbap. Gogi is meat. I'm having tonkatsu. This one is Namsan originated donkasu. Pickled radish. Let's go! Woohoo! The umbrella broke.
Oh, it like fully broke.
Yeah, I think we just walk
shit.
like this.
Okay,
Just
well.
don't poke your eye out.
Okay. And I look amazing in.
So we are outside of Seoul in the Gyeonggi-do province at the Bukhan River, and we are just at this very nice cafe. It's so beautiful. I just put my glasses on so I can actually like see the view because it is stunning. This is so insane. They have like these little nooks for people to sit. Look at that, that's so cute. And it's got like the plant theme, very nature theme. People put their shoes down here, and then you can go chill in like these loungy areas with the bean bags or the other kind of chairs. So pretty. Cheers! I'm okay, thank you.
진짜? Oh my gosh, stronger.
You have to relationship weight. This is my revenge body. You're gonna be like
You can
unrecognized.
Has anyone got this card?
Yes.
Oh, so another point.
Am I actually winning something for the first time in my life?
Yeah. Oh, that's it for now.
This is the 5th floor, and it is like a camping themed floor. Very cute. Look at these guys. I'm coming. 감사합니다. Wow. Had a really fun time at the cafe, and now we're gonna go get some dinner.
Korean style, like this.
Sexy.
The thing is, it doesn't actually cover anything.
Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Having some
먹고 싶어요.
duck chicken.
I
닭.
want to eat chicken.
닭갈비.
닭갈비 먹고 싶어요.
김치.
먹고 싶어요.
If you could be any character, what character would you be? A real character. Movie or anything. A devil wears Prada. She wants to be Miranda Priestley. Miranda Priestley. I would be, because then I will forever have Jacob and Edward in my life, and I will live forever.
Do you
Yeah.
know Cameron Diaz?
Yes. Many people tell me I look like Cameron Diaz. But when I'm blonde, people tell me I look like Cameron Diaz.
Cameron Diaz.
Because Cameron Diaz has a wide smile, and her nose is a little bit like this, and the cheeks.
You also remind me of the actress that plays in Descendants. Do you know her?
I've gotten that too. Who is that? Someone literally showed me that picture the other day. Can I see?
So similar.
Sweeney energy.
I've been getting the Euphoria girl with the big tits.
Yeah.
I'm just missing
That's what. Yeah, I was gonna say that's not what I was inferring. Chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, marinated, and that's the plain. Oh, 맛있겠다. Michelle, you want to eat the raw chicken?
No, actually. I don't know. Actually.
No, you have to cook it. Radish and kimchi together. Yeah, radish and kimchi. And this one? 깻잎. Good morning. Well, afternoon already. I look very crusty and I have this huge ass freaking pimple on my face because I just had a dance rehearsal. I didn't film because it's a surprise, and I'm cooking up a little something for the coming month of May. I have a dance performance, but I'm not going to say anything else until that is actually happening. But yeah, I'm very, very excited for it. I am in Itaewon area, HBC, Haeboncheon, and I'm actually gonna go home now and eat some lunch. Has been a cool one in such a beautiful way. The weather is cool but nice. Like if you're walking for a while, you start sweating, but it's still lovely. And I actually especially wanted to film in this little street because it's so green. I'm actually not well prepared for gym today. I'm wearing like Such a basic ass outfit. I'm doing mostly back today, a little bit of shoulders and chest, I think. I need to check my program. If you didn't watch my last videos, I talked about the program that I'm doing. It's a 12-week program. I'm in week 7, or I just finished week 7 now. It's been really tough. Shout out to my coach Yaku at Fit Nation. He's an old friend of mine, and we've had the best time being together and doing this program a long distance because he is in South Africa and I'm in Korea. So he's been the best with like updates, check-ins, everything on the phone. Yeah, so this is BCAAs and creatine monohydrate. I take this while I'm gymming or like just a little before. Gives me some energy, helps with my muscle recovery. No, I didn't know the gym is closed today. I'm so sad now. There's a downside. Everything is in Korean. So there was a sign that said that they are closed, and I obviously did not read the sign. This happens all the time. No gym. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Able Gym is a chain and they have different branches, but the other ones are a little too far, so I don't think I can travel to them now. This is what a lot of my meals look like. It's just jasmine rice, veggies and lean mince. I do either chicken breast or lean mince, so this is like technically my lunch. I actually really like it. Mince is delicious. I get like a little tired of the chicken breast, but the mince, always good. I mean, it's nothing special and it's very basic, very boring. But this is how I've been like eating for 7 weeks, most days, except for my cheat meals, which is like usually what you guys see on Saturdays. I'm like always eating cheat meals. But I promise you, the rest of the time, this is how I eat every day. I have my oats in the morning. I have this for lunch, or I usually have the chicken breast for lunch and the mince for dinner. So cheers. Right now it's like 6:30 and I decided I'm just gonna stay in tonight and relax at home. I am gonna do some prep for the week, maybe some meal prep, and I'm gonna do a little bit of art and then probably do an ab workout before I go to bed tonight. For those of you who don't know, I'm actually an artist or an aspiring artist. My dream is to one day be able to do art full-time. I recently had an exhibition in Bangkok, and before that I had one in Seoul, so it's been going really well. I did these cute and easy pieces for my friend Cherie. This one is like the skyline of Korea, and then I made her one that's like the skyline of Dubai. She was gonna go to Dubai a few years ago, but she had changed her plans now and she's going to Shanghai. So I have to change one of these. She wants to take them home with her to South Africa when she leaves next month. Okay, there we go. So Shanghai is finished. There's Korea. I don't know what we're gonna do with Dubai. I'm guessing Dubai will have to go. Such a cute gift to give anyone. I just did some meal prep. Let me quickly show you guys. My meals, like 5 days worth of meals. Well, this is just like dinner meals. Someone asked me, is this like all I eat? I do not only eat this. I eat veggies as well, a lot of veggies. But I like to cook my veggies like in the morning before work. So I like to have fresh veggies and not just like old ass veggies. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I'm gonna chill, watch some Suits, and go to bed and start the new week. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Good night.